thing we're going to do is we're going to learn how to query our table using a criteria range and also add an extract area to put results from a query into instead of using our table. First thing I'm going to do though is I'm going to go ahead and select my table. I'm going to hit the filter button. We're going to undo the filter that we had on before. And we're going to go ahead and scroll up now. And what we're going to do is we're going to select cell A7 here through J8. And we're going to click copy, right click, and I'm going to hit copy. You can copy however you want. I'm going to go into A1 and I'm going to paste it in there. Select cell A1 and we're going to title this criteria area. Criteria area, okay. And then what we want to do next is we're going to name our criteria area. So what we want to do is here select cells A2 through J3 right here. Whoops. And we're going to go here in the name box and we're going to type in criteria. Make sure it's exactly criteria because this is going to be something Excel knows about and when we go into querying using this criteria range. So criteria, hit enter, and we're going to go down here into the gender field and we're going to type in an F. So the criteria we'll be using is female, greater than 25 years old, and the grade is going to be greater than C. Now greater than in this case is going to be alphabetical, so greater than C means D and F. So this is our criteria. We've also already named our range. Click down here in the table. If you go to the data tab and hit advanced, you can do some advanced filtering, and what it's going to do is the list range here is the table that we're using. That's our table. The criteria range is the area we named criteria, which was here, and we put in our values there. Now when we hit OK, it's going to use our data there in our criteria area to filter our table out. So I hit OK, and there's my values. Women over 25 years old with a grade of greater than C. Okay, to go ahead and undo that, we're just going to click in our table and hit filter. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to define an extract range. Okay, and an extract range is somewhere where we can do our filter, but we're going to put our results into this extract area instead of in our table. So again, we're going to copy A7 there through J8. We're going to come down here to, looks like line 25. We're going to paste it in there. We're going to again change this A25. We're going to call it extract area. And then what we want to do is just select here A26 through J26. We only select that one line. Go up to the name box. Type in extract. Make sure it says extract exactly because Excel is going to know what that means. Now we select our table. We go to advanced. We do the action of copy to another location. Now it fills in our table. It fills in our criteria range based on the name, and it knows where our extract area is based on the name that we gave that area. So hit OK now. You can see instead of changing the table, it adds it down here to the extract area. Okay, we're going to go ahead and click on our table. We're going to add the filter back in. So hit filter, adds our filters back in, and then in your book, Excel 390 through 391, there's some, or through just 390, it talks more about a criteria range. I want you to read through that, kind of understand how to do that, and in our next lesson we're going to use some database functions to pull out some information from our table.